Officials from the Ministry of Health say they will begin crafting a response to get enough Jamaicans to take the COVID-19 vaccine. This as early signs begin to emerge of vaccine hesitancy. We have more in this report.
Local authorities say they need to vaccinate around 1.2 million Jamaicans to achieve herd immunity in the country. But the target remains distant due to a global shortage of vaccines. The doses that have been sourced have been administered to priority groups such as the elderly, but data have been emerging that has the authorities worried. Only 15 to 23% of Jamaicans between 60 and 80 years old have so far taken the vaccine.
And there's going to have to be a strategy to ensure that when we declare hesitancy, it is based on persons having the opportunity to and the means to, but are not taking up that opportunity. And then we know we have to now focus on the convincing side.
Dr. Tufton suggested that the Ministry of Health is already planning a strategy to convince people to get the vaccine, and they could again call on members of Parliament to help bring the people out for the vaccines when they become available. Over 146,000 Jamaicans have received their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. 40,000 of those people are being targeted for the second dose this month, and the health minister says the doses are available. People are being advised that they do not have to make appointments for the second dose.
If you're not hearing from the ministry, and we are reaching out based on the database, but you never know, we may have margins of error, if you will, please make contact or visit the health center where you got the first dose, or the facility where you got the first dose. Just take your card and we will sort it out.
The authorities, in the meantime, explained that the single-digit COVID-19 positivity rate recorded earlier this week is not an accurate reflection of the spread of the virus in Jamaica. They point out that a large number of tests were done on athletes and officials in preparation for Champs 2021, and most of those came back negative. Therefore, those results would have caused the low positivity rate earlier this week. The average positivity rate remains at around 11% and is still considered very high. Jamaicans are therefore urged to continue practicing the safety measures. Cody Ann Barrett, TVJ News.